Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the metal butt plug by the EasyToys Anal Collection. So let's get started. So this is the metal butt plug itself. Now as you can see, this is a very small, compact butt plug, so it's perfect for beginners. And this stunning polished aluminium anal plug features a beautiful large crystal at the base just here, giving it a very fun, luxurious look. It's formed with a tapered tip, a smooth bulbous body and slender neck, so inserting your toy is really simple and easy. The aluminium is also temperature responsive, which means it is cold to the touch, but it will warm up to body temperature very quickly. This also makes it suitable for temperature play, meaning you could pop this in the fridge for extra cool sensations during use, or you can also pop it in warm water to enjoy extra warm sensations during use. The choice is up to you. Now, when using this butt plug, we recommend for you to use a silicone-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And make sure to clean the butt plug after every use using either a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the metal butt plug by the EasyToys Anal Collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.